All right, this is a Hyundai Kona, and I'm going to show you how to unplug it, and put it back on the rack, okay? So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to take the plug and rack it up. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, you can give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so here's the Kona. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm going to unplug it just like that. I press this, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and put this back where it belongs in its place. And then I'm gonna coil that. And then I'm gonna go back up to the front and I'm going to put the cap back on, the charging cap, back on into place. Goes like this, line it up, make sure it's there, and then close it, and voila, just like that. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.